You are going to love the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps, tires front all season, HID headlights. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.